Hi, and welcome back to Making All the Plans. I'm Connie, and in this final video of our photo maintenance series, we'll cover regular maintenance and essential backup strategies for your iPhone photos. So let's get into it. So for me, it's imperative that I set aside time, weekly or monthly, to go through my photos. And for me, it is better if I do this weekly so that if I miss a week, I am not way behind. Whereas if I were to miss a month, I take a lot of photos and videos, that would really be time consuming. So weekly is better for me. Plus, I've mentioned before that I like to do photo books for my mom every year, and I am very behind on that. So if I do this task weekly, and I really take the time to put the photos that I love into an album for that year, it will make it so much easier for me to go back and put those photo albums together for her. But we all know that consistency is key, and regular maintenance prevents your photo library from becoming overwhelming. So you need to find a time that works best for you, but for me, I'll be doing it during my weekly resets. And that's because if you're already doing a task regularly, adding another task called task chaining, this will just be a natural progression in that process. So backing up your photos is crucial. Besides iCloud, consider additional backup options for extra security. I use both an external hard drive as well as Dropbox to back up all of my photos. Unfortunately, I have not been transferring my photos regularly, so I do need to set up a maintenance plan for that as well, and I'm thinking that I'll do that monthly. Another feature that I love about my iPhone is that I can share albums with other people. Shared albums are great for family and friends. If you create a shared album for a special event or trip and invite others to contribute, you can all see the photos that have been taken. Just ensure that you manage permissions to control who can add or view photos and videos in shared albums. That's all for our photo maintenance series for now. I hope these tips help you keep your iPhone photos organized and safe. If you found this series helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity tips. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.